Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be trapped in a never-ending blizzard? Imagine the icy winds howling outside while your breath fogs in the frigid air. Time stands still as snowflakes blanket the world, muffling sound and altering reality. Days blur into nights, and survival instincts kick in fiercely. Each moment stretches eternally, forging a chilling connection with nature. Hope flickers like a distant light. Will you brave the storm or succumb to despair? In that relentless whiteout, freedom becomes merely a memory. Stranded yet resolute, you discover strength within. Forever caught, but never alone.